Central Kingston gang war spills over to the streets of East New York.
Jesus! Oh God!
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
The feud between the Darksyde and Genasyde gangs from Central Kingston has added another chapter. This time on the streets of Brooklyn, New York, where 5 people were shot, 2 fatally, in separate incidents. It is understood that one of the leaders of the Darksyde gang is among those in critical condition at the hospital, suffering from multiple injuries. A New York Police Department spokesperson confirmed that 5 people were shot in the 2 incidents, but the NYPD has not released the name of any of those killed or injured. Reports are that about 12:30 a.m., the NYPD shot-spotter technology, which is used to pinpoint shooting incidents across the city, alerted the police to an incident at 101 Worthman Avenue in East New York. The alleged leader of the Darksyde gang, that operates out of South Side in Central Kingston, and another man were shot at a party being held at the venue. The reputed Darksyde gang leader was reportedly shot in his neck and the chest.
What is he doing? He's still here. I look for calls that I call the ambulance. Nobody knows. Listen. Be quiet. Oh my
He was taken to hospital where the police say he is listed in critical condition. The other person was shot in his shoulder. He is reportedly in stable condition at hospital. Meanwhile, the police say upon their arrival at the scene, 3 people were observed in a motor vehicle at the corner of Worthman and Georgia Avenue. According to the NYPD, 2 36-year-old men have since been pronounced dead. One of the men was reportedly shot in the head and the other was shot in the face, chest and arm. A 51-year-old man who was in the car was taken to hospital with multiple gunshot injuries. He is reportedly in critical condition.
Jesus! Oh God! Oh God! Watch there! Oh God! One girl in there too! Oh one man! Oh God! In the dead in my breed! Oh God! Watch there! Oh.
One eyewitness described a chaotic scene as he says the Infiniti crashed during the shooting. People were rushing to get out when they heard the gunshots, the witness said. The NYPD says there have been no arrests following the incident. The police say they are continuing their investigations.
Teach them! Hey yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them!